वाटर यानी पानी। अराउंड अस, हमारे चारों तरफ क्या है? वाटर है ना। और वी नीड वाटर। ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स, प्लांट, एनिमल्स and human body, all living things need water. Without water we cannot live it. All living things need water to live. Water has many uses in our life. We use water in our life. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing and cleaning. Shaving water. How we shave water? Water is very useful. It should be used carefully and do not waste it. Uh, Water is necessary, so we do not waste it. Here are some ways in which you can save water. Do not throw garbage into the source of water. Collect rainwater from rooftops in tank. Water used is for washing fruit and vegetables can be reused for watering plant and cleaning floor. Do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth or bathing. Use bucket of water instead of the hose of washing car or watering plant. We can save water if we are wise. We should always close tap after use. All leaking tap and pipes should be fixed. We save water in a tank. We do not waste water when we use open the tap, brushing our teeth or bathing. Use bucket or water. Bucket and tanks bottles are saved in water. वी शुड ऑलवेज क्लोज द टैप आफ्टर यूजिंग। हम यानी हमें जब पानी की ज़रूरत होती है उतनी ही देर हमें टैप को, नल को खुला छोड़ना चाहिए। उसके बाद हमें तुरंत ही उसको, जब हमारा यूज़ नहीं करते हैं तो हमें उसको तुरंत बंद कर देना चाहिए। अनस्क्रेबल द नेम ऑफ द डिफरेंट सोर्स ऑफ वाटर गिवन हियर। NOPD, pond, VERIR, river, ARIN, ran, ASE. Pond, river, ran and seas are source of waters. Do this exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. We use mainly rainwater. Wells are man-made source of water. We should drink clean water. We should keep drinking water covered. We should not waste water. Do this exercise. Choose the correct answer. Why do we need water? For cleaning and washing, for drinking, for cooking, for all of these. All of these. Which of these need water to live? Plant, animal, people, all of these. All of these. Which of these are source of water? River, ran, lake, all of these. यानी हमें रिवर से भी वाटर मिलता है, रेन से भी एंड लेक से भी। विच ऑफ दिस कॉज वाटर पॉल्यूट? बॉइलिंग, फिल्टरिंग, throwing garbage into river, covering water, throwing garbage into river. Which of these help us to clean water? Boiling, filtering, both of these, none of these, both of these, boiling and filtering. Answer